JC Production.
Hey guys, guess what I have in-house that just came in? The Galaxy S21 Ultra. So let's go ahead and unbox it and do some games. Alright, so you've seen everything in the box of the Galaxy S21 Ultra, and we know it doesn't have a charger or headphones anymore. They're out this year, but if you pre-order, there's some really cool bundles. You can take advantage to get some really cool stuff with your S21 Ultra. Let us dive into this device. 6.8 inches, comes in a couple of colors. I've got the black, there's also white, and then there's that awesome looking brown, which is a Samsung special you can get on the Samsung website. This thing packs a ton of features. The brand new Snapdragon 888 processor, which as gamers, we know we want to see that when we're playing our favorite games. Now, I'm going to just mention right now, this is a first look. I have an embargo, so right now I can only show you gameplay. I cannot give you any benchmarks, or I cannot also give you any temperatures. That will come in my full review next week, so stay tuned for that. But take a look at what this device does have to offer. 12 gigs of RAM or 16 gigabytes of RAM, 256 up to 512 gigabytes of RAM. There is no micro SD card storage, but you've got 5,000 milliamp batteries in here. Now, the cameras, 4 cameras, which we'll spend some time on in our camera video, and also supports an S Pen. Yes, this display supports an S Pen, which we'll take a look at in another video as well. But it is truly amazing that the note features are coming to the S21 Ultra. Another cool thing about that display, which we care as gamers, is that it's got adaptive refresh rate up to 120 Hertz. So now you can game at QHD plus at 120 Hertz. That is truly amazing. Plus, you've also got Dolby Atmos sound for gaming as well. So without wasting any more time, let's take a look at 2 games. Right now, it's going to be PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty Mobile on the Galaxy S21 Ultra with the Snapdragon 888 processor.
For the first time! No mercy! Cover me! Nice shot! Reloading!
Gaming looks smooth, it looks really nice. Again, I can't give you benchmarks or anything else. I just got it roughly like an hour ago, so I can't give you a good idea of how it actually performs, but I will do that next week. Let me know 2 more games to add to my gaming review. I'll be covering PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty Mobile, Genshin Impact, which of course you guys want to see. I'll give you benchmarks, I'll give you temperatures, and we'll talk about some of the other features on this device. The Game Center also is a little bit improved from what I see. It's a privacy mode. It also monitors your temperatures, letting you know at least if your device is running hot. So that is something cool to see. And on a side note, the fingerprint sensor on this is really, really fast and really responsive. So I'm glad to see those upgrades there. But anyway, guys, leave your thoughts down below on the Galaxy S21 Ultra. What would you like to see with gaming? Stay tuned for my gaming video on the S21, my speaker test, and more videos about the Galaxy S21 series. If you have any questions or any comments, let me know. Otherwise, don't forget to like, share. No, I did not forget this bad boy, the S21. I have it in here. Let's go ahead, unbox this bad boy, and then start gaming. So as you can clearly see, there is nothing in the box in terms of charger and headphones. That is no longer there with the S21 series. Another thing to mention is there's also no support for MST, which is the payment system that can replicate credit cards. I just found that out today. But let's talk about gaming on the Galaxy S21. First of all, the Phantom Violet S21 is a gorgeous looking device. That gold trimming around the camera, the Phantom Violet color looks really nice. This is glasstic at the back, but it feels really good. They've done a good job here on this device. Now, in terms of internals, we're looking at the Snapdragon 888. Yes, this version I'm holding has the Snapdragon 888. I will be getting the Exynos version of the S21 Ultra, so stay tuned for that. But this is the 888 with 8 gigabytes of RAM in here, and storage starts from 128 gigabytes. Now you've got 4,000 milliamp battery. It's a 5G device, of course, I would expect with the integrated SoC for that. So all that is packed in to your device. Now, what about the display? We've got a full HD plus display, which is the first time for Samsung, right? It's usually QHD plus or QHD. This is a full HD plus display, 6.2 inches, 120 hertz. So you do have that here, and it is priced at $799. So the price point is definitely lower from what we had last year. In terms of feel, it feels really nice and comfortable. Now you guys are going, okay, Thunder E, gaming. So I'm gonna tell you this right off the bat. I do have an embargo, so I cannot talk about benchmarks, heats, any kind of declaration on that sort, but I can show you how games run on this. You're gonna see the games in 60 FPS. I'll be playing Call of Duty Mobile, PUBG Mobile, maybe some Genshin Impact just a little bit, just so you guys can see how this actually performs, and then we can begin.
Killing spree for the blue team! The blue team is unstoppable! Nice shot! Cover me! Enemy down! Dead! Reloading!
JC Production.
Contact with enemy. Get down. Sniper.
JC Production. JC Production. JC Production.
Enemy contact.
So you saw how it performed gaming wise. It looked pretty good, at least from this standpoint. As I mentioned earlier, stay tuned for my full video, my full review next week. That will give you more in-depth look in terms of benchmarks, FPSs, heat, all that fun stuff. Speaking I love them because they make some really great cases and I've been using them for years. And their new line of cases for the S21, it's pretty dope. Now, they've got, of course, the rugged armor, which is nice. It's got that nice raise, or as Flossie would say, the raisivity over the camera so you don't damage the camera hump, which is pretty cool. Then you've also got the ultra high bid case, which is a clear case, allowing you to see the colors of your S21 in full glory. And one of my favorite cases is the liquid air. I like the grip around it because when I'm gaming, I want to make sure I can hold this properly, it doesn't slip out, doesn't feel too hot, and this does a good job. Definitely check out their cases. Plus, they do have cases for the Galaxy Buds as well. But I gotta say though, I really like the look and feel of the S21. If you're gonna pick it up, I would suggest the Phantom Violet. This is my favorite color so far for any of the Galaxy S21 series devices. If you have any questions or any comments, let me know. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.
JC Production. JC Production. JC Production. JC Production.